Hello everyone, my name is Afrizal. Today I create this video for my English middle exam. For topics, I will explain about computer and inside the computer. The first is computer. What is computer? The word of computers comes from the Latin. The word is computere, which means is to calculate. The computer is a tool used to process data into information quickly and automatically, following instruction from a program. This is the computer generation. For the first generation, used vacuum tubes. Computers were large, slow, and consumed a lot of electricity. For the second generation, starting using transistor. Computer becomes smaller, faster, cheaper, and more reliable. The third generation used integrated circuit and become even smaller, faster, and more powerful. And the fourth generation is starting to use microprocessor, and this is the marked beginning of the personal computer. This is the type of computer. This is the few example. First is like PC or personal computer, second laptop, and the third is server, the fourth is supercomputer, and the last is mobile device. The components. In computers, there are two main parts, hardware and software. For the hardware, is basically part of the computer that you can see and touch. It includes all the component needs to run the computer and interact with the user. For the software is a program or set of instructions that the computers follow to complete a task. The impact of computers in daily life. Computers have greatly influenced various aspects of daily life, including education, business, healthcare, and communication. This is the example of the impact of our daily life for the education, such as like online learning, research, digital libraries. In the business like automation, digital transaction, data analytics. In the healthcare like medical record, diagnostic tool, telemedicine, and communication like email, video call, social media, and messaging app. Next, I will explain about inside the computer. Computers have many small parts inside. You will find several important components that all work together, such as like CPU or central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, storage, motherboard, and power supply. CPU is the brain of the computer, and main function of the CPU are executing command from software and performing arithmetic and logic calculation, controlling communication between parts of the computer. And for the RAM or random access memory is provide a temporary storage area for data instruction that the CPU need while executing program. Next is the storage. Storage is a mechanism for recording information in a computing environment, providing long-term retention of data and program. The kind of storage such as like HDD or hard disk drive, SSD solid state drive, optical drive, and flash drive. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board, or usually we call PCB, in a computer, and is responsible for communicating between the CPU, memory, and all hardware components. And this is the power supply. It's a convert electricity from external source into usable DC voltage level for the internal component of the computer. The main function of the power supply are convert AC power from all wall outlet to DC power for the motherboard, CPU, hard drive, and other device, and provide a stable voltage to prevent a damage to component. That's all for my explanation. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.